As Gurgaon and its population has expanded over the years, the city has been developing more housing, more offices, malls, roadways and more. Gurgaon has, though, seems to have forgotten that it needs a place to dump its garbage. When authorities saw the garbage crisis getting out of hand, what did they do? They set up a waste treatment plant in the local area of Bhandwari in the Aravalis, just along the Gurgaon-Faridabad road. 300 crores of taxpayers' money was spent on this high-tech plant. Today, it stands as an open dump yard, threatening the public health system. Vasudha Sharma talks to some of the top ecologists and environment experts to find out what's going on.
We are standing at the landfill site of the Bhandwari waste treatment plant, which is the only such unit which treats garbage for the entire cities of Gurgaon and Faridabad. This was meant to be a sustainable solution for treating garbage of these cities, but it is increasingly turning into an environmental disaster according to citizens. We have a group of citizens here who are going to explain to us why.
We citizens have made a huge mistake by permitting our kachra to come into the environmental eco-sensitive zone of the Aravalis. This where we are standing was 30 feet deep, which is risen now. This was a water recharge zone, supposed to give us clean rainwater and send it to our underground aquifers. We have made a huge mistake, and we have now filed a petition in the National Green Tribunal last month. On the first day that the Gurgaon people started cycling to work, on that very day, we filed a petition. It's coming up for hearing on the 28th of October, and we want this place to be closed, and we want the city garbage to remain in the city garbage in small spaces, segregated and recycled and reused at source, not to be dumped like
Let's hear from Mr. Kapoor. Harish Kapoor here is the founding member of the Clean Gurgaon movement. Sir, you were behind this effort to set up the Bhandwari waste treatment plant, but you're greatly disappointed. How has it gone wrong?
Well, it has gone wrong, I would say totally right from the beginning. In the beginning, what was considered to be a sustainable kind of a plant, it failed to be that because perhaps the technology which was used was not proper. And apart from that, the callous way in which when the plant went out of order, the administration started dumping all the garbage here without taking any steps to safeguard, to see that the groundwater does not get polluted. As you know, that the proper way to do this is to put liners on the ground first, maybe either made of clay or polyethylene, as done internationally. But here, this was not done, and the garbage is placed right away, naked on the ground itself. And what happens, as you can see, mountains of garbage are already all over.
Asif, you were saying earlier that for the local population here, the effects of the contamination of the groundwater is already being seen, and soon this will spread to the upmarket residential areas of Gurgaon and Faridabad.
अभी जैसे यहाँ के बाकी सारे जितने लोगों को यहाँ पे पानी पी रहा है, इवन इस प्लांट पे भी जो एक बोर ट्यूबवेल है, वहाँ से भी एक पानी जैसे ही पीते हैं ये लोग बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, और एक ऊपर का एक लेवल पीला टाइप का आ चुका है पानी में. हो सकता है बहुत जल्दी हमारे गुड़गांव एंड फरीदाबाद में भी ये दिखा जा सकता है. और दूसरा, ये अरावली इस जगह पे लैंडफिल के लिए बिल्कुल रॉन्ग प्लेस है.
Our administration has failed us severely. This is criminal negligence, and that is what we have said in our petition, that immediate closure and accountability has to be given as to who thought of this. Why was it brought to the hills, and if it was brought here at all, why was it allowed to become like this?
I would say, kindly take the camera and look at those cows. The cows of the area are feeding on this garbage, and the milk they form is what we drink. We all drink here. What's going to happen? We talk about dengue, and we talk about malaria, we talk about the garbage here is not only doing that, it's also poisoning the milk that we feed on, and God knows what is going to happen, as Amina has mentioned.
The diseases have come home. The dengue epidemic is happening because there is a lake behind which is made with the filthy water that comes out of this kachra. It's a yellow colored lake. You can have a look at it, shoot it, and that's where the vectors are growing for dengue and malaria and all the diseases. The diseases in these severe forms are not coming out of nowhere. They are coming out of places like this. They are coming out of our own doing.
So almost 1500 tons of waste lands here every day from the cities of Gurgaon and Faridabad, and like you can see, none of it is getting treated because the machines on which 300 crores of citizens' money was spent do not work. This is Vasudha Sharma for Citizens Voice with camera person AJ Joseph, NDTV.